Unit 1 Introduction to Computer Systems. In this unit, we are going to see different types of output devices and the different types of monitors. Output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, flat panel display, electronic ink display, and projectors. Monitor is a visual display unit of a computer system. It displays both alphanumeric and video data. There are different types of monitors. They are CRT monitors, flat panel or LCD monitors, paper white or electronic ink display monitors, electroluminescent display monitors, plasma panel display monitors, LED displays. The cathode ray tube is a display screen which produces images in the form of the video signals. It is a type of vacuum tube which displays image when the electron beam through electron guns are strike on the phosphorescent surface. The working of CRT depends on the movement of electron beams. The electron guns generate sharply focused electrons which are accelerated at high voltage. This high velocity electron beam, when strike on the fluorescent screen, it creates luminous spot. After exiting from the electron gun, the beam passes through the pair of electrostatic deflection plate. These plates deflect the beam when the voltage is applied across it. The one pair of plate moves the beam upward and the second pair of plate moves the beam from one side to another. The horizontal and vertical movement of the electron are independent of each other and hence the electron positioned anywhere on the screen. The working parts of a CRT are enclosed in a vacuum glass envelope so that the emitted electron can easily move freely from one end of the tube to the other. Advantage of CRT monitor is it is lesser expensive than other display technologies, and the disadvantage of CRT monitor is they are large and heavy and they consume a lot of electricity and produce a lot of heat. Liquid crystal display is a popular type of technology used in electronic displays. As the name suggests, it's characterized by the use of liquid filled crystals to produce images. While there are several different configurations for LCD display, most are designed in the same basic manner. They work by using liquid crystals to produce an image. The liquid crystals are embedded into the display screen and there is some form of backlight used to illuminate them. The actual liquid crystal display is made of several layers including a polarized filter and electrodes. When the backlight is activated, it produces light that is somewhat obstructed by the liquid crystals, and this obstruction is essentially what creates the image we see in LCD displays. Backlight is an essential component of the LCD display. Without a backlight, an LCD display wouldn't be able to produce the visible image. Some of the most common types of backlight used in LCD display are cold cathode fluorescent lamps, EL-WLED array, WLED array, RGB LED array. The difference between CRT and LCD monitors are CRT monitor is designed with cathode ray tube technology, whereas LCD is designed with liquid crystal display. CRT occupies more desk space, whereas LCD requires less space. CRT displays a flickering image, whereas LCD display flicker-free images. CRT is less expensive, whereas LCD is most expensive compared to CRT. CRT requires more power to run, but LCD requires less power. Other output devices are speakers, plotter, projector and flat panel. In this slide, you can see all the different parts of a computer, including the devices you plug into it. Collection of these devices altogether is known as a computer system.